Now we're going to do piriformis with our makeshift foam roller. So we're going to take this, wrap the towel in it, or you can wrap a larger towel or a smaller towel in order to change the intensity of it. So what you're going to do is lay on your back first so that it's real easy for anybody to get into this because it's a little harder for older people to lift off. Grab a hold of this, lift your hips like a bridge, put it underneath you. So you want the edge of it to stick out. Then you're going to cross the leg over. So this is like level 1. And then from here, all you're going to do is rotate outward. So this is for piriformis syndrome. It's to release the piriformis. And a lot of times what happens is when the piriformis is tight, it pulls the back. So if I go all the way over, then I'm also getting the piriformis insertion. If I want to intensify, I can lift off and then start here. This is level 1 of this, but this is more advanced because now I have all my weight off the ground, and then I rotate over and back. So in this, there's 3 points. There's this one, there's one higher up here, and there's also one lower.
Okay.
So I can lift off. This is the lower one. So this is the middle. Lift off and do this one. And then back to center. And this is higher. And up and over. And back and so on. And back to center.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's for the piriformis. Now for the low back. So now it's going in my low back. Same here. I can just leave it like this and relax on it. So the big thing here is that I don't want to be arching over it. I don't want to drop my pelvic bone down. I'm using my stomach muscles just a little bit to stay up. So I want to be like a flat plane here at the top. And that's to protect my low back so that I'm not just like falling over it. So I can rotate over. And notice this ASIS bone, this bone is underneath the roller. The roller's sticking out right here. So I can rotate over through the side, back to center. And this helps relax and loosen the low back and the side muscles and the oblique, a little bit of the oblique here.
Okay.
I can also change it, cross, then rotate over, and then up. So this side is tight. So like the first time I'm like, oh, it kind of hurts. And then as it loosens, it gets easier and easier.
Okay.
So we generally tell people to do like 10, where they rotate over 1, this is 1, back to center is 2, and so on.